Hi Scorpions, welcome back to my channel Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from India, Bharat, Namaste. Let's start with your reading, okay? Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS Essentials Running. Alright, general vibes, general readings may or may not resonate with every one of you at the same time, but I'm going to try my level best to capture all the energies, okay? The best of. Alright. I'm hearing the first word that came through is can't, which is cannot. C-A-N-T, can't. I feel like someone can't do something, can't say something, but they want to, okay? Or maybe someone is waiting that they should say or do something, but the one, whoever is here responsible, they're not doing it. I'm also hearing someone is not home. Someone is not home. H-O-M-E. Who this person is. Scorpio season, of course. I may sometimes mention it like this is an Aquarius season, this is Leo. However, if I miss it, it is there because people know it. So there is someone, maybe they are waiting for you and you are not on time, you're not reaching because maybe something is happening. You can't. Or maybe you're waiting for someone and someone is not home, which may be again connected with the energy of like someone is waiting for the wish, like on birthday or for something special here. Someone is unable to reach to you or you are. If this is for the person, they are unable to reach you. For whatever reason it is. Like you want, but there's sense of like, I'm also hearing possession. Like someone is possessive about you, here you are. But there is higher expectation here from someone. Which might be getting delayed or someone is unable to, and then you are like, and they may end up telling you like, I couldn't do that in that time frame. But that doesn't mean that I don't love you. That doesn't mean that I don't care for you. However your situation is revolving, okay? I feel like someone may end up knocking at your door, really kind of, or maybe they'll end up calling, but for some cases it is very heavy, like someone is not home, like they end up telling you that I came or I tried to reach you, I even called you. I also hear like with Two of Swords energy, there is a lot of confusion connected with should I, shouldn't I. Plus, there is also something that someone is doing, but the one is not taking the call or kind of like not the connectivity problem here. You had 10 of Pentacles reverse. I also see something is connected with money matter here. Something that was supposed to be done, something that was supposed to be given to you. Maybe it's money or something or someone's right here. This is also something paternal or like property related. Let's just say that's your right kind of, or it should be or will be transferred to you, but something is getting delayed here. I also see like kind of again can't, and someone is not home. Possible they tried, they are going to try coming home. It's like something that should be done, but it will not happen or is getting delayed because of certain circumstances. The person is not there. Plus there is some payment delay here, Scorpions. Or you might be feeling like I really need to, maybe you are about to shift somewhere. About to shift means, of course you're taking time here, but that also means that it is going to be shift of long term. Like the plans that you have is connected with like I need proper place, need proper home there. So this can be something organizing, organizing work, organizing home. Like if you're married or you are with someone, then it is about some place that is stable, and there shouldn't be any confusion regarding this, okay? Someone may end up also saying that I can't let you go, because maybe this is the connection of long-term commitment. Maybe you got married, possible it's been like a year or even a decade, kind of, yes, 10 years, if I'm not wrong. So this 10 of Pentacles is your worry. Some issues connected within relationship is worry of finances. And this is definitely somewhere you are going to shift. And this is the place which is connected with, I'm hearing metro. like this is big place. Okay, if you already live there, then maybe you're shifting from one place to other. But if you live in like what's say small city, or some district or something, then you might be planning on shifting regarding work or something, big plans in your mind, and it's going to be metro, like cities. Okay, with Four of Wands energy, this is your, I'm also hearing, okay, recruitment. Maybe you've applied somewhere and you're waiting for that, you haven't got that call. So it is definitely connected with career, and recruitment is of course connected with jobs and all that stuff. And interview went okay, but there's delay of something. Maybe this is a big property, big organization, and you're waiting calmly, patiently for this. However, I see that you'll get the call after the wait and the pause. Just wait, okay? Wait. Maybe in 4 days or 4 weeks, extend it, okay? You're going to get the call and you're going to celebrate this. It's also something connected again with home, a property that you're planning on buying, or maybe on rent basis, kind of like you're going to take it on lease or something like. So for a long time you want it, but then again you're searching for something that is going to be profitable, like that investment is going to be good, property should be good and safe and secure. However, I see like you're going to get it. This is also something love related, of course, because someone's not home. So this is also again something that gives you stability or give you stability. This is about your current relationship as well, okay? People are traveling. You're about to travel to the person or to your hometown or to someone, the one you are connected, of course. With the Chariot, there may be Cancerian you're dealing, but I see like Scorpions, you are traveling along with someone to the place where you are supposed to settle, okay? Because this is a new place, new job, a new place, then you're going to take a little bit of time. But I feel like whatever your thinking is, it's going to turn into celebration, okay? Six of Swords energy is, it's like I'm getting the message of like right through, right, R-I-G-H-T, through, T-H-R-O-U-G-H. Something will go very smooth here once you start your journey, once you start your work. Six of Swords is, some of you are maths professor or something. I'm picking words of like mathematics. If you are, then you're also getting new job, or maybe you're leaving some big organization or university in order to join somewhere else. That's what I'm hearing. You're done with something. This is again on the practical field or world, work related, you are done with, like it's a wind up. So I see like a wrap up of a big project here with 10 of Wands. Anything that was burdensome or you thought it will never happen, will happen and is happening. Something you are still dragging though, but you are about to just put it down, okay? You're leaving your old place, old job. Again, this is very on a high level. I know this is not a major card, but they are giving me that message of like you're writing something and giving. So it may be some connected with resignation because you're joining somewhere else. Okay, what? Making things clear and arranging some stuff somewhere. See here, if you're dealing with specific energy here, this may be again Page of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. If that is the case, or anyone, someone is agitated here. Reason is that they're saying, someone is saying I can't, and the other one is like someone is not home. Then that creates that accumulation of something. There's also, I see again, journey is coming. A lot of journey is coming here in coming time. And which is why I feel like you're going to shift a lot of stuff. Like it's going to be tiring journey because there's a lot of stuff I see shifting from one place to other place. big shifts, okay? Emotional shifts, and of course leaving one place, one job you were in for a long time is again emotional, okay? So this is kind of like a farewell happening here, adios. So the moon may be Piscean here, and you are hoping to shine like sun here, but inside you are getting emotional regarding something, leaving behind, which may be again leaving home. Maybe you are single, maybe you're not dating anyone, maybe you're not married, and this is the case only of work, and you are heading towards making something big out of, and that's why you're emotional, because you're leaving home. You're leaving home, and that causes that, you know, to move out of comfort zone. You need to be strong, and of course the energy is calling out for strength as a Leo. But then again, this is about how well you're going to conduct things, how well you're going to handle things, and that's what is coming in your future. Big plans and big bonds, influential energies as well, okay? What's some love that's coming in your future? Let's just say this I'd like, right? So in future regarding love, it's going to be some beginning. Though you got the card Death, and Scorpio, this is your card. So this is about big beginning in love, also ending of something, or no more dragging. Death is a Scorpionic vibe. But apart from that, this is about when there's ending, there's beginning. So death is the beginning, of course. So there's life after endings. The things we haven't seen, it's like life after death. The articles and all that stuff. Here, I feel like, especially I called it in for like love and what's going to happen for you. There's a big transition of movement, change, no more drag, leaving behind things, starting over kind of energy. I'm hearing like you're going to deal the ending, whatever it is, and after that you are going to hear something about, again, work, bond, relationship. The major energy here, it's the calling of the Fool, which is about new beginning, new startups, new job, new career, new relationships as well. I'm also seeing look, Three of Swords, separation, calling, breakups, divorces, or it's just like pauses. And it's also something that is going to break your heart to leave certain place or relationship, but then again, it's the calling of new startup. Okay, I said so that there's going to be, wherever you are heading, it is the place where there's going to be a lot of lure. When I say lure, L-U-R-E, it's going to be a lot of stuff that may excite you, that may give you that, oh my god, I want this, I want this. It's like a mall and a shop. Like inside there's a showroom, and there are things that you really admire. I want to have this jewelry, I want to have this bag or something like that. But then again, you have this place of to stop and see. So your journey is going to be like that. Let me see from angels what they are going to, or they are trying to say. Look, introspection. Do have introspection. Introspection is required whenever you are shifting, whenever you are investing. Some of your money is stuck somewhere and you are tired of that, or maybe you gave money to someone and someone is saying I can't return, kind of like, and now I can't, and you need it. And this is also love matter, like someone is not home, you love the one, or you are waiting for one and they are not calling. Okay, so your card is bottom energy is kindness. In order to be kind, you must open your heart to the gentle qualities of caring and compassion. Be kind to yourself. I'm not going to read out the whole, but be kind to yourself. And if you want to pause it and just click it and read yourself, if you want, okay? But be kind to yourself. Your card is flexibility. Life is full of changes and surprises. Your guidance is to move with the current, for it is resisting the flow which creates problems. Ask your angel to help you open your mind and heart to new ideas and fresh options. When you accept the possibility that there are other ways, previously unseen doorways will be open to you, and you will move easily through change. That's what I said. There is a solution to every problem. So look at all things with eyes of love and expectation. Then life force will flow freely through you. You will feel healthy and alive and can assess the necessary resources and wisdom within yourself to help you through change. So again, this may be work related, very heavy energy, and love related. That's your message. Flexibility is the call. It's like survival of the fittest. It's like moving with the flow kind of energy. Sudden changes may give you that boost of doing the things, endings and beginnings, and you're being strong here with the strength especially. Take care, guys. Love you. See you soon. Bye.